Okay guys, today I'm going to show you guys my Rubik's Cube collection. And then these are all the Rubik's Cubes that I got. So guys, I'm going to show you guys my first Rubik's Cube I got. It's the 30cm 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And then guys, I just got this in September 19. And I got it in 2nd grade when I won the raffle. So guys, when I won the raffle and was 2nd grade, I just got this Rubik's Cube. And I got it when I was 2nd grade and won the raffle. So guys, here's how it turns. I can do a little flexibilities. Okay guys, here's how it turns. So guys, the turning is okay, but it looks up a lot because it doesn't have any magnets, but I'm still okay with this Rubik's Cube. Okay, I'm gonna put this Rubik's Cube in the back. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 2nd Rubik's Cube. It's called, where is it? It's called, and then guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 2nd Rubik's Cube, and I got it at Target. And then guys, it's a 3x3, and it's not a speed cube. It doesn't have any magnets, but it can still corner twist. And guys, I can do this thing. I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my 4th Rubik's Cube. It's called the Rubik's Phantom. And guys, this Rubik's Cube might be interesting because you can see that this Rubik's Cube can go from color to black. And guys, when you put this in the refrigerator, the colors might disappear and it might turn back, but guys, you can make the colors appear again by rubbing it with your body heat. So that sounds interesting. I think I'll keep the Rubik's Phantom forever because I might like this. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 4th Rubik's. Wait, what? Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 4th Rubik's Cube I got, and it's called the Infinity Cube. And then guys, this is called the Infinity Rubik's Cube. And guys, you can make something, and guys, it looks like a 2x2, but then you can do this. That's interesting. And then you can make some shapes or something. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 5th Rubik's Cube. It's called the 2x2. And then guys, I'm gonna see how this turns. And then I'm gonna do a corner cut. Okay, I'm gonna do a corner cut. The corner cut might do a bit well. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my 6th Rubik's Cube. And it's called the 3x3. It's another 3x3, but it can still corner twist. You see, it can still corner twist. I don't know why. And guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 7th Rubik's Cube. It's called the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. And then guys, I got it at Target. And then guys, I'm gonna see how it turns. And then I'm gonna try the corner cut. Nah, the corner cut might not be well. Okay guys, this is the 4x4 Rubik's Cube, and it might seem very hard, but then when I solve the Cube Solver app, now I just I just solved the entire cube when I was using the Solve app. So that was amazing. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 8th Rubik's Cube. And it's called the Rubik's Block. And the guys, this might seem a normal 3x3, but it's not. You can see this is the small line over here, and this is the big line, which it can shapeshift. And the guys, I might call this the mirror cube because it looks so shapeshifty. And then guys, this is called the Rubik's Block, but I might sometimes call it the mirror cube, but call it the block. And then guys, here's what happens when I turn it. You see, when I turn it, it can shapeshift. That's so cool. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 9th Rubik's Cube. It's called the Rubik's Keychain. And then guys, here's what happens when I put this thingy on my computer. You see? Look what happened. You might not see it, but that's okay. So guys, here's what happened. So guys, when I put this gray thingy, it can attract to my computer. So I might call this a magnet because it can attract. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 10th Rubik's Cube. It's called the 3x3, but it cannot corner twist. And the turning is okay, but it locks up a lot. It's very similar to the first Rubik's Cube I got. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 11. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 11th Rubik's Cube I got, and it's called the Rubik's Twist. That's so interesting. So guys, when you buy this Rubik's Twist, first of all, it can look like a bowl, but then when you go like this, you can make some shapes. You can make a giraffe, duck, giraffe, I don't know, doesn't matter which animal you pick. Okay. Wait, how many Rubik's Cubes that they just have? Okay, guys, wait a second. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 12th Rubik's Cube I got. And I got it at Amazon. And it's called the Yeet Bowl. Like, you yeet into something. Why is this Rubik's Cube called Yeet? I don't know why. It's a funny name. And did somebody call this a Yeet Bowl? And that does make sense. So guys, somebody called this Yeet Bowl, and that makes no sense. Okay guys, I'm gonna see how it turns. And then guys, I can solve the Yeet Bowl Rubik's Cube because it's so easy. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys my 13th Rubik's Cube. It's called the Rubik's Tower. And I can also call this Rubik's 2x2x4. And then guys, the Rubik's 2x2x4 or Rubik's Tower can shapeshift. You see, it can shapeshift, but some pieces are glued together. Like this piece is glued together that I cannot make a turn. And then guys, these 3 pieces are glued together. So that means I cannot turn these blocks. You see? And then guys, this piece is glued together that I cannot make a turn when this piece is up. Okay guys, it can shapeshift. And then you can make something like, what is this? Oh no. It looks like a pipe. Okay, guys. Wait, how many did I got? And guys, I'm gonna show you guys my last Rubik's Cube, and I got this Rubik's Cube today. And guys, this is called, I don't know. Oh, guys. So guys, this Rubik's Cube is called, oh, you may not see this letter, but that's okay. I can tell it. Okay, guys, this is the Spin Master Plexus, and I got this Rubik's Cube today. And the guys, Santa Claus gave me this Rubik's Cube. And the guys, Santa Claus gave me this Rubik's Cube because Santa Claus says it's interesting. And guys, I got this Rubik's Cube today. And the guys, it's Christmas, so happy Christmas. And the guys, I got this Rubik's Cube from Santa Claus. And the guys, my mom said it's a Rubik's maze because you can see it's a maze. You can see. And the guys, there's a bowl here. And the guys, I can turn like this. But then guys, I cannot turn like this. I can only turn the bottom, but not up. And the guys, I'm gonna put all of the Rubik's Cubes back. Okay guys, these are all my Rubik's Cubes that I have. And guys, which Rubik's Cube is your favorite? Is your most favorite? Just let me know in the comments. And guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And guys, I will see you in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.